Today we're going to look at the Bridge Supervisor Reports and Dashboard, part of the Bridge Cloud Suite. The Bridge Supervisor Reports and Dashboard is the perfect complement to Bridge Operator Console. It allows users to see information related to the call agents that they might manage. Upon launch, in any modern web browser, the users will receive this splash screen with some license information as well as a quick start video. Some of the features of the report include group selection. So much like the groups in Bridge Operator Console, you can select, create, and manage groups of users you want to track. In this case, I've selected the My Main group. At a glance, I can see all the users that are on a call, available for a call, or in an other status. That would mean away, busy, do not disturb, offline, etc. Now these statuses can be determined by either Cisco, Jabber, or Skype for Business. You'll see when a user joins a call, which is happening right now, instantly this changes as well as the current status breakdown and group availability thermometer. You can also, at a glance, see which users are taking the most calls today and what the average duration of the user's calls are. A live user map will show you real-time information about where your users are logged in and who they are. So you can see I've got two users in, relatively close to each other, probably in the same building. Organization reports will give me a view across all my users, so I can see sort of organization-wide call metrics like call minutes per hour today, general calls per hour today. I can see various different things, calls answered in a given week, inbound versus outbound call traffic, who's talking, the longest durations sort of broken down here, and calls taken. I can also see actions performed, how many calls are being answered, how many calls are being hung up, etc. And I can see that breakdown by hour as well. And a monthly version of that. I can also see some predictive transfer metrics as far as how many uses it's had on a day breakdown as well as on an hourly breakdown today. I can also zoom in at a particular user. So let's pick a user who's got some calls today. We can see the breakdown of their actions, call dispositions, calls that are answered versus not answered, actual list of calls sorted here, and then a graph showing hourly calls today. So we can do that for any given user of our operator console. Give you nice visibility there as well. You can do some custom date range things. If I want to see how many calls were missed since Friday, I can do that. Quick look at all the calls that were missed in case any of those need to be returned. Some are person-to-person calls, things like that. So those we can probably ignore. We'll also show you some insight into the Bridge server. You can see how much CPU, memory, disk usage is involved in the server, as well as the active connections and some metrics as far as requests. So we can see there's been 31,000 or so requests for information about particular users' calls today. So that's sort of neat as well. The Supervisor Reports and Dashboard comes with a number of other reports as well. So I can look at grid reports for active users, missed calls today, average call duration, things like that I can view in a grid format. I can also export the organization reports to a PDF, and any organization report that I happen to be on, I can also zoom into it. So if I click this here, we'll get a zoomed in version of that. If I only want to look at inbound, I can toggle the graph. I can also save that graph as a PDF or as an image file. Some other options will give you the user's manual, a way to give feedback if there's a report that you'd like to see that's missing, ways to open trouble tickets and things like that. You can also jump to the other applications in the Bridge Cloud Suite easily from here as well. So thank you very much for watching the demo today. To contact us further or to see an interactive demo of any of our products that are part of the Cloud Suite, visit our website at bridgeoc.com. hit us up at sales@bridgeoc.com or give us a call. We're always here to help. Thank you and have a wonderful day.